Today we're diving into the Pi network, a digital currency revolution happening right on your smartphone. Imagine earning cryptocurrency just by tapping your phone once a day. No expensive computers, no technical expertise needed. Pi network was created by Stanford graduates to make digital money accessible to everyone, not just the tech elite. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi is mined on your phone without draining your battery or data. Millions worldwide, called pioneers, have joined, building a massive diverse community. For years, these pioneers have tapped the app daily, accumulating Pi and believing in a fairer financial future. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a new, inclusive financial system from the ground up. Now, in 2026, the community's patience is paying off. A major milestone has set the digital world abuzz, a value for Pi that's turning heads everywhere. This isn't just another crypto headline, it's a story of collective belief becoming reality. The Pi network is proof that value can be created by the many, not just the few. We're witnessing a pivotal moment in digital finance, and Pi network is right at the center of it. Let's talk about GCV, the global consensus value. GCV isn't a market price set by exchanges, it's the value the Pi community collectively agrees Pi is worth. Think of it like a club where everyone agrees on the value of their rare marbles. Except this club is global, and the marble is Pi. The community has rallied behind a GCV of $314,159 per Pi, inspired by the mathematical constant Pi. This value is used in peer-to-peer trades within the Pi ecosystem, even before Pi hits mainstream markets. GCV flips traditional valuation. Instead of speculators, the creators and users set the value. It's a declaration of what their time, belief, and effort are worth. This grassroots approach is powerful. It's value born from the people, for the people. While not an official market price yet, GCV is shaping real transactions and expectations. It's a bold stake in the ground for the future of digital currency. The Pi community is using GCV to build a new kind of wealth. It's a movement, not just a number. Why $314,159? It's a nod to the mathematical constant Pi, symbolic, memorable, and unifying. This high value isn't just marketing, it's a statement of intent. The Pi community wants their currency to be used for life-changing purchases, cars, homes, businesses, not just small items. By aiming high, they're setting a standard for quality and utility within the ecosystem. For pioneers, this value validates years of belief and effort, transforming a daily tap into a potentially life-altering act. It encourages holding Pi, building the network, and demanding real value in exchange. Businesses are taking notice, offering better goods and services to match Pi's perceived worth. The high GCV pushes the ecosystem to mature and deliver real utility. It's a catalyst. Belief in value inspires actions that create value. The community's conviction is turning Pi into more than just another coin. It's about redefining what digital wealth can mean. The GCV is both a goal and a driving force. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy in motion. Who are the pioneers? They're the backbone of Pi network. Students, farmers, teachers, shop owners from over 200 countries. This global diversity is Pi's strength, making it a truly decentralized movement. Early adopters took a leap of faith, building the foundation of a new digital economy. Every tap was a vote for a more accessible financial future. Pioneers aren't just miners, they're validators, merchants, educators, and evangelists. They secure the network, test its marketplace, and spread the word through genuine enthusiasm. Their grassroots efforts have built a massive, resilient community. Now, with GCV in play, their patience could translate into real wealth. This isn't luck. It's the reward for years of belief and contribution. Pioneers are the architects of this new world, and their story is proof that ordinary people can achieve extraordinary things. The Pi network is their creation, and now they stand on the brink of something historic. The world will agree money is coming to pioneer, a mantra echoing through the Pi community. It's not just about wealth, it's about shifting how value is created and distributed. Traditionally, wealth flows upward. Pi aims to reverse that, rewarding early believers and contributors. Like early internet pioneers, those who saw Pi's potential from the start are now positioned for the greatest rewards. Pi's design intentionally favors early adopters. The mining rate was highest at the beginning, rewarding vision and risk. This isn't just theory. Real trades are happening. Cars, electronics, and more exchanged for Pi at GCV rates. These transactions prove the community's commitment and the GCV's real-world impact. The prophecy is unfolding. Value is flowing to the pioneers. It's a new chapter in how digital wealth is built. The early believers are seeing their vision come to life, and the world is starting to notice. Imagine a world where sending money globally is instant and nearly free. Pi could make that a reality. Remittances become seamless, empowering families and connecting economies. Small businesses and local entrepreneurs could accept Pi, opening access to a global market without traditional banking barriers. This peer-to-peer marketplace could foster a more equitable world economy. For many, Pi could mean financial freedom, a down payment, startup capital, or education fund. Broad wealth distribution could unleash creativity and social good. Pi's simplicity, just a tap on your phone, could bring digital currency to the next billion users. Everyday purchases, from coffee to rent, could be made with Pi. The impact: a more connected, empowered, and innovative society. Pi isn't just changing money, it's changing lives, and you could be part of it. Pi Network is part of a global shift from centralized to decentralized finance. Traditional money is controlled by governments. Cryptocurrencies like Pi put power in the hands of users. Pi's mobile-first approach makes digital currency accessible to millions. Unlike energy-hungry Bitcoin, it democratizes money creation and distribution, fulfilling crypto's original promise. GCV challenges how assets are valued by community consensus, not just market speculation. If successful, this model could inspire other projects to prioritize utility and community belief. The road ahead has challenges: regulation, adoption, and education. But the demand for fairer finance is undeniable. The future will likely blend traditional and digital currencies. Pi is positioning itself as a bridge between these worlds. The revolution is underway, and Pi is leading the charge. The next big step: the launch of Pi's open mainnet. Currently, Pi operates in an enclosed ecosystem, trading goods and services among pioneers, but not yet on global exchanges. This phase builds utility and community strength before opening to the world. Open mainnet will connect Pi to other blockchains and markets, potentially giving it a public price. The core team is waiting for ecosystem maturity and mass KYC verification before launching. Until then, pioneers should focus on building, creating apps, marketplaces, and services that use Pi. Every new app and merchant adds value to the network. Education is crucial. Learn, stay secure, and avoid scams. A strong, informed community is Pi's greatest asset. The most exciting chapters are just ahead. The world is watching, and pioneers are ready. We're witnessing a historic shift in finance and community. Pi Network is more than a currency. It's a global movement for a fairer future. Its value is set by the people who built it, not by outside forces. For early pioneers, years of belief may soon be rewarded. Their story proves that ordinary people, united by vision, can create extraordinary value. If you're new, it's not too late. The vision is clearer, the community stronger. The future of money is being built now, and you can be part of it. This is about more than wealth. It's about building a connected, equitable world. The journey of Pi inspires us to shape the future together. The new era isn't about instant riches. It's about fair participation and shared rewards. Keep building, keep believing. The future is bright and in our hands. Thank you for joining this journey. The dawn of a new era is here.